friends! Good morning! Good afternoon! 2:30 na! Ang TV na! Hello! Wow! Slenderman! Ang lood kay ka today. Nanam kala, December, ano na? Today is December, ano na ron, oy? 10? 11? 11 or 12? Oh no, basta 14 sa Friday. 12, 13, 14. Yeah. Oh, 11, 12, 13, 11, November 11, December 11. So I'm just going to eat na my lunch. Kasi aalis kami. Pupunta na naman kami ng seaside because I wanted to put up my Christmas tree. Wala pa gapon may Christmas tree. And I want to buy it. Papanipalit na lang. Sana bumili na lang ako doon sa 138 ng wreath sa ano para sa door. But nagmamadali kasi kami ni mother kaya hindi ako nakabili guys. So my outfit for today is like this granny outfit. Ayan, with my shorts. I don't know if you can see that. Yan. Tapos, merong ganito kasi see-through to, guys. Yan yung outfit natin. And I'm just going to quickly eat kasi, malapit na mag-3. And then, I need to go to Elkie because I'm buying something from her. And, yeah, yun nga, dadaan din kami ng seaside. And, I'm gonna show you what my lunch for today. Yan yung lunch natin, guys. For carbohydrates, banana, cucumber, this is breast chicken, lumpia, and I also have bangus, and coffee of course, kasi we need coffee in our life, and then my sausawan na suka. Itadakimasu! Mother is here from the date. May kasalubong si mother na McDo. Grabe si mother. Ito fries. Tapos siopaw from Majestic. Miguel! Nag-date sila, nanood sila ng sine. So, I just have my hair tied back kasi ang init. And I'm going to show to you my new friend, guys. Mandy! This is Mandy. Baby, there's Mandy. Come here, Mandy. This is Mandy. Mandy! Hi, Mandy. Where is Miko? Wala man si Miko. Mandy. I have also another cat which is called Miko. Mandy. So, umiiyak si Miguel. Wow, I don't like. Parang masakit yung ulo ko pag tinatawag ko yung bungkigal ko. Pero ang init kasi ganito yung sinuot ko guys. Oh, yung parang may mainit dito sa leeg. Hello, boys! Hi, boys! Miguel! Maui! My doggies, my labadubi. My labadubi, Miguel. Maui! I think I'm going to remove my pie kasi ang sakit sa ulo. Yeah, I'm not used to. Wow, ang dilim. Ato may seaside tapos adto sa mini LK kay nakagipalit niya. Lah, gayahin pa der oh. Tuwang-tuwang. Ate is here. So, nag-dinner na sa ate oh. Dinner niya fries. So unhealthy. Ikaw man po. Huh? Unhealthy. And we're just waiting for Baba. And I'm gonna eat my dinner na while waiting for Baba. Hindi ko na hintayin si Baba. Kasi later pa, 5 o'clock pa yun nalabas. Ikaw, mana ka dinner? Chicken dinner? Unsa to na mong isulti, der? Chicken dinner ba? Unsa na?
Winner, chicken dinner.
Ang ano man, inana man ang chicken dinner.
Kay mo, manay may tabo na ko sa pag-chicken.
Pudgy. Sa pudgy?
PUBG. PUBG.
Say PUBG.
It's PUBG.
What that?
Player Unknown Battleground.
What are you talking about? What battleground? Mga filler kani sila ay mga ROS. No filler kay ni siya. Diaba muscle. Oh, dyan na din na siya.
PUBG.
Dyan na PUBG.
Player Unknown Battleground.
Uy, basta duwa.
Oh, naday na na.
Nagigisultihan na di kas meaning Player Unknown Battleground. PUBG.
What? Bala mo eh. Kain ako. Dinner. Courtesy from Mercy Paradero.
Someone lang. Uy, ang utang niya.
Pepper steak from McDo.
Kuhan mo na sa bata. Nga mo, hindi na magkaga.
Live ko to. I also have coffee. Tadakimasu. That's that. Wow, ate. What? Do you want that? Finish na mo. Diba mo palit pa man taglain mo. Usa naman tayo mong gipalit. But 1,000 man mo ha. Do you cover your tummy? Kana na lang mo ate oh. Pangkatulog. Question man. We're here again sa fitting room sa SMC side kasi may nakita na naman kaming sale. Diba na 50% off. Buwa kay kutan. Wow, ate, you're so pretty. Dark kay kutan. Pretty kay si ate no. Uy, what are you doing? So, mag-fit na kami. This is mine. I don't think, hawa, good ba? I don't think hawa sa ba, pwede makita. I like my pants. I don't like my pants. It doesn't flatter my body. Look at my building. Tapos, hindi masyadong maganda para sa akin. I don't like this type of pants. Okay lang yung blouse. I'm gonna buy the blouse but not the pants. Okay. Na kami sa bahay and I'm just going to quickly cook the doggies food. Oh, pangit ng resolution. Dapat ganyan. O, dito tayo. Kasi, para ready na sa morning. Para at least pag, you know, i-chop-chop ko na lang yung chicken. Tapos, ibibigay ko na. Instead na yung magluluto pa and that. So, I'm just going to cook mga for tomorrow na foodie nila. And then, I'm gonna clean my face and yeah, that's it. Yeah. It smells so good. Ano na? Overnight na. So, naman masarap na masarap ito. The chicken. I wanna eat one.